In today's video, I am going to teach you Monday.com CRM Review. Monday.com CRM is a highly visual and intuitive platform that helps small to mid-sized teams track leads, manage a pipeline, and organize customer information in one place. It is especially useful when you want a blend of CRM and project management because deals and delivery work can live side by side. It is also known for strong workflow automation and team collaboration. At the same time, it is better suited to simpler sales processes, since it does not include some of the advanced, specialized sales features found in more traditional CRMs. Pricing typically starts around $12 per user per month, and there is usually a 3-user minimum, so cost can rise as you scale. To get oriented, start at your Monday.com home area. This is the central hub where you can jump into the CRM tools and any connected boards. From home, open sequences. This is where you can focus on repeatable sales outreach and follow-up, helping your team stay consistent when moving prospects through early stages. Next, open quotes and invoices. This area supports the commercial side of your process, so you can connect what you sell to what you bill. Keep your naming consistent here because clean product and pricing data makes reporting and handoffs much easier. Now go into mass email tracking. This view is designed to help you monitor email outreach at scale, so you can see engagement and keep follow-ups organized. Be sure your team agrees on basic rules like when to mark an email as sent and how to log replies, so activity stays reliable. From there, open contacts. This is your core directory of people. A helpful tip is to keep key fields standardized, such as company, role, and contact status, because that consistency improves filtering and automation. Next, open deals. This is your pipeline view, where you can track value, stage, and progress. Then open leads, which is typically where new opportunities start before they are qualified. After that, open accounts to review company-level records that can link to multiple contacts and multiple deals. Then go to client projects to see how CRM data can connect to delivery work. Open products and services to confirm what you offer is clearly defined. Next, open activities to review calls, emails, and tasks in one place, which helps managers see what is happening day to day. Finally, open the sales dashboard to view performance at a glance and keep the team aligned on results. That covers everything you need to know.